guys, this is Connie with Theheritagehouse. I had fun yesterday extracting bees out of an old farmhouse. They realized they had bees in the chimney. It took me about 3 hours. I brought the bees home. I couldn't find the queen at the time, but I did find her when I was putting them in the box. They have drawn out comb now. They have sugar water. They have pollen patty, everything they need to start building again. They started cleaning since yesterday, and they've been foraging today all day. So that's a great sign that they will stick around. I will check on them in a few days again and let you know about the progress. And I enjoy the videos the guys took of me, and I'll talk to you again soon. Bye-bye. I'm here out in the country. They're demolishing this property, and there is a beehive in the chimney. We're gonna get it. Here they are. See if I can find the queen first. And that's gonna be a piece of cake afterwards. Let's see.
Bien ahí, puede ser los tres. Como quiera traemos bastantes ahorita por el mientras.
Do you find the queen? Ah.
The queen is all the way down here somewhere.
Oh, you haven't found it yet?
It's getting easier. Let's see if we can spot her.
Yeah.
A lot of hive beetles. To turn it the other way. Got too deep there. Let's see if I can didn't see anything here. No, it's not in here. Most of the bees are in the bucket. I haven't seen the queen yet. I found 2 queen cells open. Either the new queen swarm, the old queen swarmed, and the new queens went out to mate, or one swarm and one went out to mate, but or she's in the bucket. The honey and the comb is in this box, and quite a few are in there as well. But now I see them start gathering at the very top, up there on the ladder. I'm gonna go check again and see if the queen is there. So hopefully we'll find her. Hopefully she's not hurt. We'll see. They settled in their new home really fast. They've been foraging all day today and cleaning. Another happy ending.